The National Weather Service in Kansas City has issued a tornado warning for southeast Kansas County, northern Kansas County, Pacific Ocean County. This tornado is expected to suck the Pacific Ocean. This tornado is going 80 miles per hour. Get in silo basement in a shelter. If you are in a car, sickle a lying basement shelter in place immediately, and cover your head with your hands from flying debris. Repeating, National Weather Service in Kansas has issued a tornado for Kansas until further notice. Take cover now. I repeat, take cover now.
Good morning, Kansas. Today, we have a tornado that sucked the Kansas Pacific Ocean. It might be a rough time for Kansas, but the tornado has stopped. Wait. Oh God. We are receiving a message from the emergency alert system. So please stand by as we transmit this emergency alert message.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management. The tornado has swept the Kansas Pacific Ocean. It is believed that the sharks was sucked from the tornado to Kansas. Get inside your doors at all costs and stay away from these sharks. Stay tuned for further information regarding the situation.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Civil danger warning for Kansas until further notice. The following message is transmitted at the request of Kansas Emergency Management. A dangerous from Kansas City is declared. The sharks from Kansas City to major cities are now no longer lives in the oceans and starting to have new abilities. It is believed that the sharks has feet growing from their tails to walk around and starts to attack the city, causing damage, injuries, and fatalities. This message will quiet your safety. Get inside a shelter in place immediately. Lock all doors and windows. Gather your supplies in your shelter such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies and a battery-powered radio with extra batteries for your shelter in place. Stay tuned for further information in this dangerous situation.
Let's have a bit of fun till our downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Kansas Emergency Management. An evacuation order has been declared. The dangerous sharks from Kansas has caused a nuclear power plant potential of radioactive materials from the air. This nuclear power plant will affect the residents. All residents are requested to evacuate immediately. While evacuating, grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your evacuation. Stay tuned for further information on this dangerous situation.
Good evening, people. We have dangerous sharks around the Kansas that are spreading even further. We also have a nuclear power plant issue like an hour ago, but now we are evacuating to us another place. So please excuse me if I'm giving you guys information and fatalities. And fatalities from these sharks was reported around the Kansas, and it was spreading even further. Wait, oh my God! Here goes the sirens. Oh my God! Please excuse me as I sign off for this channel.
Catastrophic danger warning for United States. This is not a test. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted of the request of the United States government. The dangerous sharks has spread across the United States, causing damage, injuries, and fatalities. The sharks are invading 12 states including Alabama, Florida, Georgia, Delaware, Tennessee, Mississippi, Louisiana, Illinois, Oklahoma, New York, Rhode Island and Pennsylvania. These attacks of the sharks are steadily going more and more and the time goes on. All residents are requested to shelter in place immediately for your safety during this catastrophic dangerous event. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies and a battery-powered radio. We will try our best to stop the sharks from spreading even further. We will show these sharks that we are going to fight. We will update you soon about the latest updates on this very dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted of the request of the United States government. The dangerous sharks has been killed, but there is another threat. It is believed that the water was contaminated. Name the seawater flow with the symptoms including blood dripping from their mouth and eyelids, coughing up blood, nausea, vomiting, bleeding from the mouth and ears, extreme hydration, yellowing of the skin, cramps, migraine or most certainly death. If you have experienced any symptoms within the last seconds, call 911 immediately and go to the nearest hospital. If you have drank any water within the next hour, you will face certain death. All residents are requested to do the following instructions. Don't drink any water as they need to be disposed in a proper manner. The National Guard will take them to an undisclosed location. Do not throw them in the garbage. Instead, put them in a container so the National Guard will take them to a location. Stay tuned for further information on this situation.
Hey everybody. So we have heard that the dangerous sharks situation is over. But there was another threat from the emergency alert system. And it was definitely the water being contaminated. So all normal programming is now gonna resume when the emergency alert system says when it's all clear and safe. So have a good time spending your time from the underground shelter until the emergency alert system has concluded the broadcast of the emergency action termination message. So this is Corey signing off from the news channel. So see ya.
This is an emergency action termination message. It is all clear and safe. You can now leave your shelters, but your house may be destroyed from the dangerous sharks. We will repair all of the damage that was caused. All normal programming may now resume. We thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. All TV, radios, will now cease transmission.